I hate marketing and selling, but I love sales. I bet you feel the same way, right? You may also agree that if you're not selling your courses or services like you thought you would, you're probably looking for a way to fix that, right? I'll explain how to fix that with video. Would you also agree that your business is in trouble if you're not making any sales? If you are not talking to people, you have no one to sell to. That's a lack of marketing, prospecting, or outreach on your part. But if you have people you are talking to, but nobody's buying, then you have a selling problem, right? So the first thing we figure out is which issue is it? Is it not enough people to talk to, or not able to close a sale, or both? But don't worry, I'm going to address each one in this video. If you don't have enough people to talk to or chat with, it is likely a result of lack of prospecting or outreach. Most business owners give it a really good try on their own with very poor results, which is more common than we want to admit. This causes the brain to say, "See, I told you so," reinforcing the idea that marketing and selling sucks. Marketing can be your best friend. A good discovery video can find people who are not just your ideal client type, but are looking for your type of service to fix their existing problems. You can do organic marketing in all the social media platforms, do direct outreach and prospecting all for free, or you can do paid ads, so your options are almost limitless. But the problem is most people don't have the right messaging. They get little to no response and then automatically assume marketing does not work, when in fact it's the messaging that's the culprit. Some people in your niche tell me they are constantly being told their prospect needs to think about it. Some that invite me to chat with them tell me they stumble when they get asked questions, which does not end well. Others in your niche tell me they just don't know why people are not buying their course or service. If you're nodding your head in agreement and it feels like I'm talking about you, then we should probably have a chat to see if we can fix that for you. Would you be opposed to having a real chat? We really won't know if we can truly help you until we have a conversation with you. It would range from 20 to 30 minutes. All we ask from you is that at the end of the chat, you tell us honestly if you believe we can help you or not. We'll also tell you if we feel we can help as well. Is that fair? So the real next step is to simply click the link in the description area below so we can set up an agreed time to chat. Be sure to ask for Marilee and tell her that Robert referred you.